This is the 3-pack of the Apple iOS charging blocks and 10-foot charging cords here. This is the charging block that they give you right here. It's got USB-C, so each one of these cords is USB-C to USB-C. We basically upgraded our iPhones to the new ones with the USB-C charging, getting rid of the lightning cable, so we had to get more of these charging blocks. And these are just really nice. They did a really nice job on this one here. The cords are very, you can see they have like this mesh around them, so it's going to help for the deteriorating at the edges right there. But overall, I'm very happy with these. They're really nice. Again, you get a 3-pack here. These are 10-foot cords. I know they had them in other sizes, but 10 feet just seems to be the best if you're going to put it like on the side of a couch, behind an end table or something like that. You just have a lot of room. And again, we got the 3-pack, so this way we have extras if we need to. But again, you get the 3 charging blocks, 3 10-feet cables here, reinforced with the mesh on here, and the USB to USB-C. So if you got the new iPhone, you absolutely are probably going to need some new cables. Get rid of the lightning cables, and this is a really great option.